Alright folks, Tmaxxric here. We are at the Westview Nursing and We are at the Westview Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. It's a senior community. They are throwing on a cruise in this morning. We are in Bedford, Indiana. I'm not sure. This is my first time here to this one. I don't want to say too much about it because I don't know, all the OGs that be coming through, all the OGs that be coming through. But we still getting set up. It's early. Registration was from 8 to 9, but I think that might have been a little early for some people. I don't know. I made it. I got here at 8:41, and there's not many cars here. There's enough though. There's a good little handful, but it is a nursing home. It's back in the cut, but we're here to support, and support is what it's all about, people. Remember that. So like this video, subscribe to all my subscribers. Like this video and subscribe, please. We are here to support. Look at this Roadrunner. How sweet. She's clean. Super, super duper. Get them BFGs on there. Sorry for the sun, folks. Oh, it's got the pop outs, man. This is a Hearst fucking 4-speed. Woo. I like it. I like old BB. Oh, big 440, man. With a Holly sucker fuel pumpulator. That's number 1. Let's go to number 2. Classic Ford with a Chevy under the hood. But not only any Chevy, it's a 327. Nice. Got the camel hump heads. Camel humps, y'all know what that is. Super large valves. Nice. Speed racer. Looks like like this old school. Looks like it was a police cruiser at one time. Ooh-wee. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. I got an 11. I got an 11 convertible Volvo, but that's a ZL1. Let me get away from that. Let me get away from that. 700 horsepower, stock. Ish. Yeah. Seen some of these in my other video. BMW, I love it. We've had this one before. Thriftmaster 235 straight 6 lease 56. I like it. I like this radiator, this brass. That's so cool. Got the van wheels. We had those on our Chevy van. Oh, back in 80, 84, something like that. Maybe. I don't know, 1980. I don't know what year that van was, but I think it might have been 80. Very nice. Oh wait, look what we have here. I love that color. People love this color. Well, let me stop. I love this color. And the sunlight hits that, man. That's what's up. We got old Shannon and Deb over there from the radio station. We just getting started though. There's their little vehicular fine music. Shannon and Deb. No, go ahead. Okay. You know, it ain't much going on, you know. They didn't let him in. I don't think they let him in. I don't know. $55? I do it. I always get that little bit right there mixed up.
Yeah. All the reason I can tell them apart is 55 is the gas cap's on the side and 56 is behind the tail light.
See, I never even knew that. I've always went by the and then the yeah. Yeah, I like that. Beautiful. Torque thrust 2s, 3s, those are torque thrusts. One of my favorite rims. You've had it yourself? You did the work?
Oh, no.
No?
No, I bought it that way.
Oh, well. It's clean by. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah. What's up under the, what you got up in the banana basket here? 350. 350? Nice. Man, them rims be banging on there. Well, I like that brown. That is... That's not really brown, though. What do you call that? Do you know what these colors are? That's kind of like a champagne, but this one...
No, my paperwork says it's Chrysler paint.
Yeah.
And the dark brown is called coffee brown.
Coffee brown. Man, that is beautiful in the sun.
And then this light up here is a copper.
Copper. Okay. Yeah, copper.
Brown and copper.
Man, that is just... That color combo is nice. Damn.
Otherwise, you just see black and white, red and white, blue and white.
Or those green and whites, or the white and white. This is usually always white. That was a signature thing for 55s, but yeah, I like that, man. Really do. That'd be popping in the sunlight, man. Wow. Gorgeous. But you enjoy, you don't...
That's about the only way I can tell my car's told between the 55 and 56. Like I said, 55 is
The
here.
gas door, okay.
56 is that tail light popping down.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And the grill's a little bit different. But other than that,
Yeah, I do like it. Sweet. That's a 4-speed in there, 3-speed, or automatic. That is cool. I like how it looks. So, unless you told me, unless I looked at the floor. Yeah, I thought that was a stick.
all of mine's automatic. I'm tired of doing the shifting and
Huh.
I said I was going to bring my tea bucket up here this morning, but
Yeah?
I thought it was too damn chilly.
What? Well, it was cool. It's warming up though. Turned out to be beautiful. That's for sure.
It'll be a beautiful day.
Yeah. Let me get the puppies. I gotta get puppies for the video. Puppy! Hey, come here. It's okay. I moved a little quick. I'm sorry. Get camera shy.
Like, yeah,
Yeah.
very protective.
Yep. Yep. Puppy! Going off. Oh, like a victory red. Look at that tweet. You're only. I love the headliner. I like it. That is sick. This yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's classic. Nice. Ooh, ooh. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Is that a factory paint or paint? Not like this though. It's nice. Might have been 74, 73. I actually had a friend in the Air Force that had a 74. But I thought if I said I had a cousin, would have been easier. How are you?
Good, how are you today?
I don't talk to myself. I'm just kind of doing a YouTube thing.
Yeah,
So-
I want to get out of your way.
No, you're good, man. You don't mind being on YouTube?
I don't mind.
All right. AMX. Ali. This is something you don't see every day. That's for dang sure.
No.
Golly. 69. Damn. That is what's up. How you land on something like this? Been in the family or?
This one, I just started restoring it 2 years ago. I found it over in Springfield, Missouri. I'd finished restoring out a 72 AMX, so I wanted to get the first generation model.
This is so cool.
These
Look at that
big
door
but now
handles.
back seats.
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
Oh, I see that. Wow.
And
Got the old Corvette style going
they were
on.
the first automaker to have the recessed door handles.
I was just pointing that out on my video. That's pretty cool.
They also were the first one to have the Dow Corning windshields, safety shatterproof windshields instead of glass.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. When they started putting the,
They wanted to make them lighter weight, more fuel economy.
Damn. Sweet. You ain't got nothing on them, Elon Musk. Thanks, man. Beautiful. That's a Mopar in there?
Yep. It's Chrysler block with
343 original. Okay.
with the Hurst factory, the Hurst 4-speed. It was only 840 made with the that factory.
Got to get that in there then. Oh, the Hurst. Okay. What? Wow. Boy, I bet this is fun to drive, man.
Oh boy.
I bet there's. I got an 11 SS convertible, and I got that El Camino over there too. That's my Elkie.
Oh, okay.
Old blue down there. You'll see it.
I saw it.
Take a walk.
I stopped by a while ago and looked at it.
Yeah. But I got an 11 SS 6-speed convertible, and that thing's fun to drive.
Yeah, we got a 72 AMX. That's our show car, and this one's my wife and I's play car. It's got some rust on it. It's got some dings and dents, but we like to go out. We don't worry about going out.
This is perfectly a show car. What are you talking about?
Oh, we just.
I mean, yeah. Well, people appreciate this stuff.
We run.
People,
We run.
you know, I appreciate this stuff.
We run it hard.
Yeah, man.
This one's fun. Lots
It's
of fun.
clean, man, for running hard. Shoot. Oh, Lee. I love it, man. Great job. Great job.
Work in progress.
Yeah, good job, man. Whoa, that's a big old tractor.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom. I don't know what I'm looking at, but it's big and it's blue. What's up with these wheels? People that know about tractors, comment in the video comments. What's up with them grooves in the wheels, man? Tell me what that's about, you farm people. My brother-in-law can tell me, oh look, it looks like they're adjustable. Oh, that's so you can adjust it for your crop width spacing. I'm gonna say. Little princess. McCormick Farm All. They had teamed up. I think this guy here is doing like spices now. I don't think he's into tractors. I think he does like paprika and garlic powder and onion powder and stuff. Yeah, he just wasn't cut out to make tractors, I reckon. Spices. The whole bottle of Armor All on that. It's one big old. It's a custom lift back here. That's cool. Old Massey Ferguson, Alice Chalmers. I ain't gonna disturb these folks over here. They're having a nice little conversation, but that's how we do car shows in Bedford, Indiana, people. You got cars, and then you have tractors. Okay, we have to include all the tractors because that's just how you do it in farmland. Chevy. tweed. God, that's sick. 3,100. This is a big truck back then. I love the police wheels. Look at that. What, the gold stripe? That is sick. This is beautiful. Paint popping. Oh, yeah. Oh, a fuel cell in there.
You can open your hood.
Want them sealed up.
Unless you got a force on it.
Mine's factory stock. 235.
I got 2 of them.
Stream. I think these people are just, they're just here. Always wanted one of these. Well, when I was younger. It's pretty clean, man. Very clean. Grand Sport. Sick. One of my favorite body styles, man. Sorry, C6, my bad. I don't know what the 5 was. C6. Yeah.
Alright, let's go get you that. I hoped your family would bring some race cars.
You get me nothing.
It's hard.
Oh.
It's hard on the black phone. You like the brown one? Yeah. I'm starting to worry. We always have this fucking
Showing off for the old folks, man. They deserve a day of fun too. That's for sure. This is one of my favorite cars. This is number 1 right here. Number 1. You should date. Oh, by the way, I got a new microphone set up for the phone. Y'all let me know how it is in the comments, man. I don't use the phone mic anymore. Oh my God, look at this El Camino. Golly, that thing's sharp. Look at there. My sister gave me that props.
90.1 is summer low. 67 there, and the airplane, it's somebody to love at 17 past 10. We are live at Westview Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Bedford.
This is sharp. Anyway.
Cruise in their 3rd. You know, the sun is out. Think about what we had last weekend. God's blessing.
Sun is out.
Beautiful day today.
Beautiful.
This was supposed to be last weekend, and the day got moved.
Oh,
Look at
well,
that.
I'm so glad it got moved because I wouldn't have been able to make it.
Westview Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Bedford. 812-279-4494. Always involved in community events like this.
5. Oh, we got Casper rolling in. That's sick.
The morning or afternoon is over on the One for Fun.
I mean,
We're on Clinic Drive.
it is a Jeep. No offense to the Jeep people. We gonna call it. No, maybe we'll get some send-offs. They ain't really gonna do send-offs here. It's pretty apparent. So, yeah. Well, that's it, man, for now, man. This is a very small little shindig going on, a few people. But at least we supporting, man. We supporting the retirement home community rehabilitation center. Props to Westview over there. Yeah. So, all right. Things is going good. A little bit later on, a couple hours later. I've met some good people right here. This man right here is awesome. And my man down there with the AMX is awesome. Super friendly people. This guy. Got this award-winning Z06 over here. Oh man.
Really? That's just normal. That's what it is.
And then you got the blower on.
Yeah, I thought they were always.
C7, man. C7. see.
I don't know. I was trying to figure this out. That this floor lifts up.
Mama Boo. Classic. Oh, I got him a little cam up in here, he said. That's my front end. 84, 85, 86, something like that. The guy told me his dad changed it. It used to be had a single. This is an 83. It's an 82 or 83, he said. But I know that those didn't come out till 84, 85, 86. Something like that. Told me his dad changed that out to the newer front end. Which it looks good, actually. Yeah, it looks as good as old blue down there. Casper. I don't know that we got Casper on film earlier. Let's get Casper on here. You know, I like the blue work. I like the blue. I do. I like it. Very nice. LS3, that's what I got. Heads up, I got one of them. This is C6, man. Oh no. Love the AMX, man. I gotta get some stills. There's some steels now. Peace out. Loved all my subscribers, man. You've seen all the cars. In the Tmaxxric video production 2024. Peace to all my subs. Love each and every one of y'all. We're almost to 1K, man. 1K. Let's get some more subs on here, man. Please like, subscribe, all that. I need a K, man. Let's get it. Wow.